So this question comes from Gretel. She says, I separated from my husband after I cheated on him. I really want to work my marriage out. I want to tell my husband about the affair, and I don't know how. So what should she do?
Oh, wow, you're going to hit me with a hard one. Okay, well, let me just say this. My answer is quite controversial. And not necessarily all marriage counselors agree with me, but I will hit you with what my point of view is, which is I don't think she should. And I know that is like everybody's all about coming clean and being honest. It's very different than many people think.
Commonly held beliefs.
Yeah. Yes, than commonly held beliefs. But here's the deal. Telling him is going to make her feel better. Telling him is going to take the weight off of her. Telling her is going to make her feel less guilty. It's all about what's going to be good for her. How is that necessarily going to help him, and how is it going to help them? You know, she absolutely needs to figure out what led to that. She needs to figure out what in her relationship was lacking that led to that, and what was lacking in herself that led to her having an affair, whether she does that with her own private therapy or through journaling or however she figures that out. And then she needs to fix those things with his help. But to go in and say, this is what happened, affairs are very difficult to recover from.
Right, very
And
damaging.
they affect a marriage for the rest of the marriage. And that doesn't necessarily end the marriage, but they certainly affect it. So my question is, what is that going to gain? What is that going to give him? How is that going to help the marriage? And I'm not necessarily talking about like holding secrets and telling lies and getting into a bigger... If he suspects that she's had an affair, she has to tell him. If he's suspected all along she's had an affair, then, again, that lack of trust and that doubt is going to needle at the relationship and eventually end it anyway. But if it's something that's completely, apart from the relationship or was a one-time thing or something like that, I have a very controversial opinion about holding that to your own. And as odd as it sounds, it's a type of penance, isn't it? It's something that you chose to do and therefore you hold on to forever. And then you throw yourself back into your relationship and you work on it and you make sure that it's safe and you make sure that it's a place that you want to be and that's never going to happen again. So again, that might make some people angry, but it depends on the circumstances. And if it was, like I said, just a one-time small thing and she left because of the guilt, that's her guilt to bear. Mm-hmm. So that's my answer.
There you go. Well, thank you for sharing that.
Sure.
If you'd like your question answered, please ask it in the comment box below, because this is a regular series and we want to help as many people as we can. And if you'd like even more powerful free relationship advice from Dr. Dana, click on the link below the video. Thanks so much for watching.
Talk to you soon.